Diary, it is in fact the middle of September 2023. This is the unboxing of the Apple iPhone 15 Pro. I'm going to fill out the unboxing with some usual ramblings, so you'll have to bear with that. That's supposed to be an advantage, by the way. There's the back of the box. There's the side of the box. There's the front of the box, and there's the other side of the box. As I was saying earlier in the much more important cardboard unboxing, it's been a long time coming. I did order the product immediately, and my rationale is as follows. If you're going to order the iPhone, you're best to order it immediately it comes out and get it from day one if possible. And why? Because as soon as you buy this device, it's on a downward trail of depreciation. And Apple renews its products every year. And the longer you keep this product and it not being current, your depreciation curve will continue a plumb. That's not to say that the initial depreciation is not the heaviest. So the savviest thing to do, if you don't mind having an N-year-old iPhone, is probably to always pick up a 2 or 3 year old iPhone. But if you're in the technology space, you probably want to be up with the Joneses, as we would say in the UK in the 1980s. Anyway, that's too much waffling. Get a move on. So I'm going to pull the strip here. So I understand I don't need to use my Leatherman because it's just been made too easy for me. Uno. And Mr. Durr. There you go. Now, Mr. iPhone, don't make a fool of me. Come out. Oh yeah, it comes out quite easily. So, we've got an iPhone. This is the deep purple, I'm a child of the 70s. Or was it the 50s? I'm not sure. I can't say. So what have we got? We've got the USB. They put a USB-C cable in here. Is that a mistake? No. Well, of course, this is the iPhone 15. So we've got the USB to USB cable, USB-C, the 2014 standard that Apple has finally agreed to follow. We've got made in California, and I think usually a sticker, isn't there? There's a sticker, and yeah, a very shiny SIM pin. And there's probably a guide somewhere saying don't electrocute yourself with 5 volts. Where should we find that bit? iPhone packaging, it's in German. Oh, I see, there's lots of different languages here telling you probably not to electrocute yourself. Security, radio frequencies, yeah, okay, yeah. Not very interesting. Is there anything hidden in the back? No. And finally, let's what's the face there. Ooh. I mean, I am actually excited. I'm not being sarcastic about it. I am actually excited. I better be excited because I've spent, a preposterous amount of money on a phone. And this is the second time only I've ever spent this much on a phone. First was last year's iPhone. Let's have a little look. 3 cameras. Lovely. There's a big bump there. And I'm going to put on this camera bedangle a camera protector, a lens protector, and we're also going to put it into a case ASAP. That's the unboxing. I look forward to actually using the phone. I've done a backup to iCloud. Interestingly, if you've got an iPhone that you are going to turn into an iPhone 15, and when you make the backup, since I don't have the iCloud space, Apple say we're going to give you the iCloud storage space for a period of some days whilst you get your new iPhone ready. So I've made a backup to the iCloud. I've sold the old iPhone, so I'm going to be relying on that iCloud backup that I made to restore this phone. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching.